beat, go yard.
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they kinda strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45 scope attached, like whoa. I ain't fucking with these hoes, I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's like go. Got me all in the playlist because she fuck with me the most, like that. Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they kinda strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45 scope attached, like whoa. I ain't fucking with these hoes, I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's like go. Got me all in the playlist because she fuck with me the most, like damn.
Buzz it down, buzz it down, buzz it. I just put a fangirl, flew her out for Russia. I spent 3K, what the fucking budget? Chrome hard jeans, 10K, can't touch it. Shake the hips that don't lie like Shakira. I'm so damn high in the coupe, I'm Peter. I don't drink Tito's, only drink expensive liquor. Fucking on your bitch in my green plastic slipper. Ego, oh my god, you're underrated. She got itty bitty titties, I bust them on her quickly. I bought that bitch Versace garments just because of pity. If she is a Fashion Nova bitch, she cannot be with me. I pull her with a 5-5, pocket rocket pop pop, aim it at your top, while she give me top. My brother's on top, your brothers just fall off. I just make her jaw dot like she's just an M-Rod. Hey, yeah, I'm the greatest. Every single time I drop your bitch, I meet a playlist. And I know a boyfriend get mad when she play this. And he always complain when she say I'm her favorite.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they kinda strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45 scope attached, like whoa. I ain't fucking.
I just put 800 on my watch, that's on God. I just put 200 on some rocks, let it pop. Heard that they was hating on my drops, better stop. Heard your tracks, and that shit was never hot, man, it flopped. Ew, I'm in the position to murk you if you been dissing. Broke can make you vanish, I call him the dark magician. They been wishing on my downfall, that's a clown call. I'm surrounded by the real, I can't be around y'all. Smoking and sipping, I'm on the road to the riches. They tryna know all my business, like how I go and I rip it. They take my flow and they rent it, yeah, they stole all my writtens. And they think they killing beats with the flow I invented. We in this bitch like revolutionaries, please do not come near me. And the sauce is evolutionary, shit is super scary. Old dogs falling off, new heads coming up. We don't like to talk much, see how we running up. Gang, y'all ain't one of us. And they talking on the level, we don't give a motherfucker. They been banging on the gram, let's go get your brother touch. Fuck the streets, I just hop up on the beat, fuck it up. Yeah, smooth like aloe vera, and we came in Panameras. And the window panoramic, so they all just stop and staring. Bought a whole bunch of Louis, I don't even plan to wear it. I just plan to hit the block, give it back, I plan to share it. Facts gone.
Loco, vamos a darle a tu... Oh. Buenísima. Ya, ese quita para siempre. Me comí al otro. Ayuden ahí, que no tengo chaleco, porque ustedes no pasan chaleco. El negro ahí de balde. Buenísima. Nosotros somos duros, compa. A ese hay que reportarlo, Jordan. Claro, y ese, compa, que tú estás matando. Mira este tipo, diablo, qué duro, loco. Le dimos tejido. ¿Y qué? ¿Pero y qué es que me está matando? Ah, el Agustín. Dan cargo aquí, no se la coman eso. Lo que duro, loco, son.
¿No van para acá?
Aló. Ronnie, la estamos haciendo. Lo maté. Buenísimo. En gaso. Hey, disparan. De la leche aquí. Me lo comí, no lo comimos. Hay que generalizar. Hay otro que se está tirando. Vamos a ver. Llegaron más. Me doy cuenta que está en la calle con el lobe. Adiós. Avión, buenísima, compay, diablo.
Se murió.
Me comí el Nah, loco, güey, nosotros somos demasiado duros, te lo juro yo.
Yo me desalazo esa maldita pega.
Me estoy dando con dos. Ok, buenísimo. Allá, el Rabi lo dejé a un tiro. Le doy a este, tú dale al Rabi. Le doy al verde, tú dale al Rabi. Nada, se va a meter para basurero, loco. Qué rata. Uy, se cansó el verde, ven acá. Buena Jordan. Buena Jordan. Ah, pues ustedes mandan en esa.
Step in the kitchen.
Te andaban en un... Llegué. Ah, ahí voy. Llego. Ok, te veo.
Mirando por atrás.
Ya, estoy aquí. Uy, me quemó bacano. Buena, le caigo atrás del M4. ¿Te quiere ir?
La nena corre más. Hay que darle. Oh. Ese no sé cómo, pero también es hacer que... Claro, porque
Más gente que entiende.
Oye, yo ni puedo ni del chat. Los disparates que están hablando ahí.
Siempre me cuadra.
Mira, venden con 125k, si ves.
Si mueren así todo ese poneme.
Vete que estamos siguiendo.
Yo soy de bajo, y ustedes
Es que eran enemigos.
Bueno, al medio pues lo va para red. Estamos yendo para red, pero tampoco HPLB. El diablo, lo pongo un demonio.
¿Cómo? Pero me están tirando, ¿pero qué?
Lo dije.
¿Qué?
Mira que parece un amén.
Mira, tomé foto ahí, ¿sí o qué?
Te prendió esta vaina aquí, bueno, componente.
Vamos a ver. Si pueden tomar foto, tomen foto.
¿A cuáles son, Drake? ¿A cuáles son?
Por eso que no me gusta esta vaina. Vamos, güey, ven mi componente, vamos a darle a todo el mundo así. Dale a Neno también, tú sabes.
Ah, bueno.
A él le está tirando.
Sí, al ahí, al sombrero.
Dale,